Namaskaram again. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to discuss one technique which is very good for the lung strengthening. Okay, retention technique. I'll be inhaling like this. I'm just keeping my hands right above the left, making head straight, spine straight, inhaling, filling the stomach with the air like a balloon, and retaining the breath. I'm not exhaling, I'm just retaining it, keeping it inside the breath for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and release through the nostril. Okay, while doing this practice, you can close the eyes. Just be aware of yourself, be aware of the breath going inside and retaining. Okay, once the duration, 10 seconds, if you are able to retain the oxygen, it goes to all parts of the body. Retention something, it goes to all parts of the body and gives the energy to all the cells. This is the thing you need to understand. Retaining the breath, very important technique. One more time, just doing it, making my spine straight, head straight, inhaling fully, making my stomach fill. Inhale, then retain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Slowly release. Just 10 rounds daily, along with the breathing practices which I have shared. Slowly you will be able to get the maximum amount of energies. The lungs will be strengthening and all the cells will be refreshed with oxygen. And in Sanskrit we call it as Shakti. You derive it. I hope everyone will try to attempt this practice. Any doubts, let me know. Thank you. Namaskaram.